Hello YouTube! Hi friends, hi my little clowns, and if you're new here, hi. My name is Nikki. I like bright, fun, colorful makeup, which is like so not what I've like done today. I also dyed my hair blonde. You can't really see it. It looks way more blonder in my profile picture, but that's because of like the lighting and it's currently storming here, so yeah. But today I played with the Barbie Malibu ColourPop palette. It looks like this. I absolutely love this and I enjoy this. And this is a collab with my friend Kayla. We're going to be posting both of our videos on TikTok. She likes to go live there. I'll link her below. You should go check her out. She is like the absolute best and she's like the bestest friend anybody could ever ask for. So, without further ado. Oh, wait. No. If you're new here, you should like, comment, subscribe, whatever. That didn't make sense. It is what it is. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, we're just not gonna talk about how many times I've had to start over. we're just not, okay? Because we're getting up there. Okay, we're just... Okay, so this is my fifth time saying this. But this is the palette I'm using today. I feel like whenever I try to use this palette, things just don't go right. So I've tried the blues. I love this palette, but as of late, it's just like not cooperating with me, or like my brain is. I don't know. So I don't know. Maybe this. I don't know. I'm not feeling the pinks, so we'll start with this shade right here called West Coast. We will put that into the crease here. Oh, this is not a good brush. This is not going well. But that did not go well. On a topic of things that are going well, my work. I'm really loving it, really enjoying it. It's going really good, so that's a plus. But because of work, I haven't really had the time to film. Well, I do, but I like to sleep in. I could do it, like, I could film before work, I could film after, but I like to sleep in, and then when I get home, I like to just, like, decompress, so, yeah. But I'm just putting this yellow here, like, a halo-ish eye. I don't know, and I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, called Boardwalk. And again, putting that into the crease, blending those two together. Also, this is just an appreciation to my cousin and her husband, who whenever I see them are always like, we watch your videos. I appreciate y'all a lot. Like, yeah. But I'm taking that Boardwalk shade and just blending out, pretty much just blending that into the yellow. Now, I feel less anxious when I have myself zoomed out. So, yeah, but I'm going to go in with this shade right here called SoCal, this orange one. I'm going to be putting that out here, a little bit in the crease. Is Nikki going to do something neutral? Oh my goodness. What is happening? And I think taking a little bit of that orange shade and putting it in the inner corner. And again, going back in with this yellow shade right here. It got a lot darker out. Wow. I'm going to be putting that in this middle spot right here. And I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Cali Girl glitter here over that. Not a lot. I don't want like no glitter glue, no nothing. I just want a little bit of some shimmer and just bringing that all over the lid. And I think I'm going to take a little bit of this Zuma Beach, not a lot, and I'm going to put that in the crease here a little bit just to give it some depth. And then maybe go back over it with the glitter. Okay, I moved further away from the camera. I'm sorry. I'm taking a little bit of the orange SoCal shade and just plopping that all over again. Making sure I don't lose that orange. I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot.
2 hours later.
Again, the lighting sucks, but it was like hailing when I was doing stuff earlier. Let me move this. Like, it was hailing. It's like downpouring. This is like my dream. And it sucks that like I'm feeling like sort of like down because like this is like, this is my thing. But I used this Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen, which I couldn't get this off of. So that's just gonna stay there. But I like this. I don't really do this type of look. I don't really do liner. But let's do some blush. This is the Melt Length Cream Blush. As I don't think I've ever said this, but all the things that I use are always linked in the description. They're links taken directly from the website, like the brand's website, so like I don't make anything off of them. I wish. That'd be cool, you know? But I just like doing makeup for fun, even if sometimes my brain's like, girl, get depressed. This is like the most neutral look I think I've ever done. So my mom used to get like those Ipsy pigs. I think it was Ipsy. I don't know. But so she had like all these products that she didn't use. So she just gave them to me. This is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. It looks like this. It's gold. So I thought, you know, why not? Wow. And you can see my blonde now. Wow. You know what? More. We're gonna put more. I don't even care. I'll blend it out. I'm still trying to decide if I want to put something on the under eye or not. I need to find a brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of it and put it in here. I want to be seen from space. This is funny because I can't see more than 5 inches in front of me, and my mirror is probably about like 10. So I'm just guessing. Okay, and I think I'm gonna use this ColourPop Just a Tint Lip Crayon. I've used this before, and I've said it before, but this is probably the best smelling product that I own. Like, it's just, wow. It's just, wow. Who am I? This is all neutral. I'm not going to lie. I love this. I'm like, wow. Okay. Do I give a review? Do I give my thoughts? I feel like I should. I love this palette. I've used this palette a lot. What palette was my first ColourPop one? I think this was one of the first ones that I ever got from them. This one and then my Star Wars one. But I absolutely love it. It's so much fun. There's a lot you can do with it. There's like neutrals. Yeah. But if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. My outro. What is my outro? Oh yeah, don't be racist, don't be homophobic, don't be a piece of shit, don't be transphobic. It is so much easier to be kinder and nicer than to be a dick. It's so much easier to ignore the things that you do not like, that you do not understand. Put that energy and that time into things that you like and that you enjoy and that bring you happiness rather than just being an a-hole. I wish you the absolute bestest of a day. Maybe, you know, just have the day that you deserve. Like, if you're gonna be an a-hole, I hope your day goes bad. But if you're gonna be a nice, welcoming, amazing person, then I hope you have like the bestest day. And I'll see you next time.